everyone, welcome back to day 8 of our PostgreSQL beginner series. In the previous video we learned how to update and delete records. Today we will learn how to organize our data in a meaningful way using the order by clause. We will also see how to display only a limited number of records using limit and how to skip records using offset. These commands are extremely useful in websites, dashboards, reports and almost every application that displays data. Now I have already connected to my database over here. Let us see the records that I have in my database already. So yes, I have listened to these are the data that I have. Now what if I want to order sort them by age or name? That's where my order comes in. So let us just select this command that here by default order by source data in ascending order. So for numbers this means smallest to largest, and for text it means A to Z. So let me just copy this command and I'll paste it over here. So now my data is sorted according to the age in an ascending order. Same thing we can do in the descending order. So here I pasted my data. Now it is sorted in the descending order from oldest student appears at the top. Now PostgreSQL can also sort text values alphabetically. Let us see how can we do that. So I am doing it here for name. Yes, see A, then N, then P, then R, then S. So this is sorted alphabetically. Similarly, we can arrange records based on city names, where the city names will be ordered in ascending order. Let us sort it quickly. So here are our city names arranged alphabetically. Now how can we sort multiple columns together? PostgreSQL even allows sorting by multiple columns. So first it group records by city. Like if I want to run this command over here. So what is it going to do? It is going to first group records by city in ascending order, then within the same city it sorts students by age in descending order. So I don't have any multiple record like that. That's why I can't show you in that way. But suppose if there were two Bangalores, one is Rohan and one is Ankit. So Ankit would have one preference over Rohan, and the name of Ankit will be flashing above that. Now comes limit. Suppose we want the first three records only. Instead of displaying the entire table, we use the limit clause over here. So I'll just see. Only the first three records are being displayed from the original table. There is where limit clause comes in picture. Now comes something called offset. Now what this offset does, offset tells Postgre to skip a certain number of rows before displaying the results. So let us skip the first two records. So I have skipped the first two records and from number 3 it's showing. Now how can we use limit and offset together? So let us run a certain query. Let us run this query. So what this query is doing, this query skips the first two records and then displays the next two. This concept is widely used for pagination on websites. Now let us go for the highest age among this. Yes, let us go by the age. So since I've got one null value over here, that's why it's showing this, but actually it's not so. Let us do it alphabetically student first and alphabetically student last. Let us stick to this. So that's where, yes. And I only just want one record. So sticking to that, we are doing this query. See, he is the youngest. Now let us go for the oldest. Limit 1, that means I want to display only one record. I don't want the entire thing. Yes. Since why is it showing blank? Because it's considering it as the oldest. Now alphabetically last student can also be done in the same. Oh, alphabetically last student is Neha. Now here are a few best practices. Always use order by when you need sorted data, or use ASC for ascending order and DESC for descending order. Use limit to retrieve only the record you need. Use offset for pagination. Combining record by with limit improves performance when you need the top or bottom records. Now I'll be giving you some homework. Firstly, to display students sorted by age, sorted by city. Show the first 5 students, skip the first 2 students, and display the top 3 oldest students. For the interview questions, you can get what is the purpose of order by clause, what is the default sorting order in PostgreSQL, what is the difference between limit and offset, how can you sort by multiple columns, where are limit and offset commonly used in real world applications, all these questions. So great job. Today we have learned how to sort data using order by, display only the required records using limit, and implement pagination with offset. These commands are used extensively in real world applications like e-commerce website, dashboard, search results, and admin panels. In the next video we will explore aggregate functions such as count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum, which helps us analyze summarized data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. I'll see you in day 9. Thank you.